Hey everyone, I'm actually gonna make something today. I'm gonna cook something. Bake, if you say so. I'm gonna make one of BuzzFeed's recipes, the Fluffy Japanese Cheesecake that looks like that. So I'm not an expert at baking or like anything like that. So I'm just gonna try to make this, and also like the measurements, I hope I do them right. Now I'm gonna make everything in small bowls so that it's easier for me to just put them in and do it all. Let's start. I have all of the ingredients right here. The ingredients are milk, cream cheese, butter, egg yolks, flour, cornstarch, egg whites, granulated sugar, parchment paper, strawberries, and powdered sugar. The two last ones are just like servings, so I don't have strawberries. Let's start. The recipe starts with preheating the oven to 160. And next thing is, in a small pot over medium heat, whisk the milk, cream cheese, and butter until smooth. Remove from heat and cool. This is a non-stick pot that I have. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, medium heat. That is like 6 or 7. So it's saying start with the butter. Okay, that's the butter. Cream cheese, milk. Good. Good. Now we need 100 grams of cream cheese. This is 200 grams, so I'm just gonna open it and cut it in half. There. Okay, I have about half of it now. I think something went wrong. It's supposed to be smooth. It's very like liquidy. Should I put in more cream cheese or? I put the right amount of everything. I don't know why it isn't smooth. Like, I don't know why it isn't creamy. This is just like watery. Like seriously. Is it too warm? Something went wrong. Did I take it? Oh, it's very buttery. I'm gonna put in more cream cheese. It's not smooth or creamy at all, so I'm gonna put in a little bit more of cream cheese to see if it works. Let's see. How much? About this much, I guess. Okay, let's see. Maybe it will creamen it out. This is not working. Why is it not working? Okay, I think it's done. Oh yeah, now it's looking better. I'm just gonna take it out of the heat now. Okay, so now I'm supposed to whisk the yolks and then add the mixture very slowly. Okay. What was it that I had to do? I know what I have to do. I need to whisk this. So I'm whisking the eggs. Look. Good whisking. Okay, so in here are 8 egg yolks. And it said to let that cool, but I don't know how long. Or like, do I need to let it cool until it's cold? Or do I need to let it cool until, who knows? It doesn't say on the article or like on the recipe. But this is looking very, very, very like egg yolky. Let's see. It's very not cold, but like, okay, I have to do this. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in. I don't have patience to wait. It says until it's evenly combined, so I'm just gonna whisk it until I see that it's looking combined. It's looking good. I think it's good. Okay, next step. What's next step? Wait. But it's very evenly combined. What's next step? I'm just gonna use this. Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna bring you here. Come here. Hello. Hi. So there are, what are they? 100 grams of cornstarch and 100 grams of flour. Let's sieve that in. This is the cornstarch. That was 100 grams of cornstarch, and now 100 grams of flour. let's go. I really hope this works. Because honestly, this cake looks delicious. Oh, done. Okay. I'm just gonna keep stirring. I think it's combined enough. Let's see. Look. It's looking very yellow. Very yellow. Next step was, wait, I'm gonna read it. Hello. The next step is, in another large bowl, beat the egg whites with a hand mixer until you see soft peaks when lifting the mixture up from the egg whites. I have the egg whites in here. They're done. Okay, not yet. I have to mix them. Gradually add the sugar while continuing to beat until you see hard peaks when lifting the mixer up. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Hello. I really hope that I did a good job with the like changing of the egg whites, because it was not that easy. No. I had to redo it many times. Let's go. I don't think this bowl was big enough. I'm gonna change the bowl. Okay, let's do this. Change successful. I'm gonna put in the sugar now. No, this is a soft peak. Oh, those are hard peaks, I think. You know what? I don't know. I've been doing this for a while. Let's just say I'm done. Now it says to combine that and that, I think. Oh, there were, by the way, 13 egg whites, which is kind of crazy. You don't know how hard it was to try to divide the egg yolks and the egg whites, like so many. Okay, so it's saying to slowly combine both of them, but the bowl is too small, so I have to change bowl. There we go. So I have to change bowl because this one is too small. So it's saying to combine them like slowly. So I'm just gonna do like slowly, and not even combine, like just like let it go slowly, like in, like this. Kind of, I think. So I'm just gonna be doing this, I guess, for a while. You wanna see what I'm doing? Look. So I'm like doing this. I'm just gonna use this. And it's just like lifting it up and putting it, something like that. I'm just gonna put it even more. I'm just gonna put it in all. It feels like I've been doing this for forever. Now we can do this. I don't think this will fit in the thing. Let's see. It's looking very good. It looks very done. If I'm honest, this looks like it's done. Okay, next step, because this is done, is to put parchment paper around. Thing is, this is too small for that. Because this will, all of this will not fit in there. Definitely. Okay, I know what I have to do. Kind of. And now I do this. Okay, I'm gonna cut it out a little bit smaller, I guess. Yeah, this is a good one. Oh look, it fits perfectly. Almost. Let's see. Yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good. Good. Now we need more to put around the edge of glory. Like that. Okie dokie yo! This sucks. I don't know how to do this. Okay, smaller. Oh yeah, that was easier. I don't know how they make it stay on the edges. Like, I don't know how to do this. It's so hard. I'm thinking, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tape the edges and then remove the tape. Okay, something like that. I don't know how to do it. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour this over. That didn't even stick, bruh. Stop it. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Okay, fast. I don't know how to I don't know how to scoop it. Oh, here, I have a scooper. Wait, I have a scooper. Let's see. I'm gonna scoop it slowly. Just like that. Why are you not sticking? Okay, I'm trying to remove the tape now, I guess. Okay, let's just pour. Okay, good. Now, what do I do now? Now I have to look at the recipe again. I have to heat water. Okay, so next thing is putting that one, like the one that I just poured in, into a bigger mold and putting warm water in it. So I'm gonna try to make this work. I'll shake to release any air bubbles. Okay, I shaked it. Okay, 2 paper towels in the bottom of this. 2 paper towels, like that, in the bottom of this. Just like that. I think it's gonna work out. I really hope it works out, because this is a lot of work for a cake. Okay, so I'm gonna put... So look, I put it in. I'm lifting you up. I put it in there in a larger pan. Then I'm waiting for the water to boil to put it in. Next thing is bake for 25 minutes, then reduce heat to 135 and bake for another 55 minutes until the cake has risen to almost double its height. Remove from oven and carefully invert the cake onto your dominant hand or peel off the paper. Be extremely careful as the cake will be hot. You can also invert the cake onto a plate, but this will cause the cake to deflate more. Okay, but that's in like an hour or so. I don't know how much an inch is, so I'm just gonna... Oh, I just burned myself. Ah, I hate this. How much is an inch? Okay, let's just put it in. Timer, start. 25 minutes. Then we'll see how it is. Turn down the heat and bake for another 55 minutes. 1 hour and 20 minutes. Look at that. Look how much it's gone up. That's insane. That's so cool. Oh, look how it's looking. And now I have to put it to 130. That's about 130, right? Yeah, look how hot. It's smelling so good. Ah! I went to eat after I put it down. It went down a little bit because I was like, maybe you shouldn't eat it when it's hot, but I'm gonna cut it up now. Like, it's still very tall, but it went down like this much. Let's see. Ooh, this is so satisfying. Wow. Let's see. It sounds kind of moist. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Focus. Do you see how it looks? It looks amazing. Let's see. Come on. Okay, I have to try it. I have to try it. Okay, let's see, let's see. All that hard work paid off. All that hard work really paid off. Ah, this is so good. It's like a cake, but it's not like... 10 out of 10 would do again. Thank you for watching. Bye.